In front of me is Nokia 2660 Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off predictive text. All you need to do is access menu and go into settings. Then click on this button at the top left corner. Scroll down until you reach predictive text and click it. Then find your language and set it up by clicking on it. To disable predictive text, tap on it again and select first option, predictive text off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!